Crash course on China's cryptocurrency activities and their regulation and impact. China's involvement in the world of cryptocurrency has been both significant and tumultuous. In recent years, the country has been a major player in the development and adoption of cryptocurrencies, while also implementing strict regulations and crackdowns on their use. One of the most notable examples of China's involvement in cryptocurrency is the development of the digital yuan, the country's central bank digital currency. The digital yuan is seen as a way for the government to increase financial inclusion, reduce the use of cash, and gain greater control over the country's financial system. However, China has also been known for its strict regulations on cryptocurrencies, including banning initial coin offerings, ICOs, and cracking down on cryptocurrency exchanges. The government has cited concerns over financial stability and illegal activities such as money laundering and fraud. Despite these challenges, China's involvement in the world of cryptocurrency continues to evolve. Here are 12 notable activities and developments. 1. Ban on ICOs. In 2017, China banned all ICOs and declared them illegal, citing concerns over fraud and financial risks. 2. Crackdown on crypto exchanges. In 2017, China also launched a crackdown on cryptocurrency exchanges, forcing many to shut down or move their operations overseas. 3. Bitcoin mining. China has been a major player in Bitcoin mining, with estimates suggesting that over 60% of global Bitcoin mining activity takes place in the country. 4. Digital yuan. China has been actively developing its central bank digital currency, the digital yuan, which is currently being tested in several cities. 5. Crypto trading ban. In 2019, China banned all cryptocurrency trading, leading to a sharp drop in Bitcoin prices. 6. Blockchain adoption. Despite its crackdown on cryptocurrencies, China has been actively promoting the adoption of blockchain technology, investing heavily in its development and application. 7. Mining crackdown. In recent years, China has cracked down on Bitcoin mining, citing concerns over energy consumption and environmental impact. 8. Digital currency trials. China has conducted several digital currency trials, including a pilot program in Shenzhen that allowed residents to use digital yuan for purchases. 9. Tencent's cryptocurrency plans. Tencent, one of China's largest tech companies, has announced plans to launch its own digital currency. 10. Ant Group's blockchain platform. Ant Group, the financial services affiliate of Alibaba, has launched a blockchain platform for businesses. 11. BSN blockchain network. China has launched the blockchain-based service network, BSN, which aims to provide a global infrastructure for blockchain-based applications. 12. Regulatory scrutiny. China's regulators have continued to scrutinize the use of cryptocurrencies, with recent actions including the shutdown of a major crypto exchange and the arrest of several individuals for alleged cryptocurrency fraud. China's involvement in the world of cryptocurrency has been both innovative and controversial. While the country has been at the forefront of developing new digital currencies and promoting blockchain technology, it has also been known for its strict regulations and crackdowns on cryptocurrency use. An interesting story to note is the recent crackdown on Bitcoin mining in China's Sichuan province, which was previously known for its cheap hydroelectric power and was home to a significant amount of Bitcoin mining activity. The crackdown has led to a major decline in Bitcoin's hash rate, and has sparked discussions about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Another example is the recent announcement by China's central bank that it will be conducting a new digital yuan trial during the upcoming Winter Olympics in Beijing. The trial will allow visitors to use digital yuan for transactions during the event. In conclusion, China's impact on the world of cryptocurrency is significant, and its ongoing developments and regulatory actions are likely to have a lasting impact on the industry. As the country continues to navigate the challenges of balancing innovation and regulation, its role in the future of cryptocurrency remains to be seen. Here is a song on China's cryptocurrency activities and regulation. Verse 1. In China's land, where the dragons roam, cryptocurrencies found a home. A digital yuan, a currency new. But regulations tight, that much is true. Chorus. Crypto in China, a complex game. Innovation and regulation, two sides of the same. The government's watching, with a careful eye. As the world of crypto continues to fly. Verse 2. Mining's big, in this land so vast. Bitcoin's king, but it may not last. Crackdowns come, on exchanges and more. But blockchain's growth is hard to ignore. Chorus. Crypto in China, a complex game. Innovation and regulation, two sides of the same. The government's watching, with a careful eye, as the world of crypto continues to fly. Verse 3. Digital yuan, a central bank's dream. Financial inclusion is the theme. But some fear control is the goal, as China's crypto story continues to unfold. Chorus. Crypto in China, a complex game. Innovation and regulation, two sides of the same. The government's watching, with a careful eye, as the world of crypto continues to fly. Bridge. The world is watching, as China leads. But regulations must be heeded. Cryptocurrency, a global force. A future that's unclear, but on its course. Chorus. Crypto in China, a complex game. Innovation and regulation, two sides of the same. The government's watching, with a careful eye, as the world of crypto continues to fly. Outro. In China's land, where the dragons roam, cryptocurrencies found a home. A digital yuan, a currency new. But what the future holds, no one truly knew. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.